Hey ladies and gentlemen, so this is basically just going to be a quick one, just showing you how to change your username. So mine is currently at tutorials how to. Let's get started. So basically once you come onto your home page, all you have to do is click in the top left hand corner where your profile picture is. Look at that top right picture. That is a beautiful, beautiful photo. Right, anyway, I'll stop admiring that. So basically all you have to do is go down to settings and privacy. Click onto account. Click on username, how to. Well, that's mine, tutorials how to, but click on your username. And basically now we just type one in, so I am going to type in how to tutorials. Username already taken. Oh, of course it just says taken. We'll just put that tutorials daily taken. Oh, okay. This is the longest part. Sorting out a username. Let's try. Ooh. Official how to tutorials. Oh, and now there's a maximum letter of words. Official how to YT, yeah. And now when you go onto your home, or if people tag you in something, it will say, for me, at official how to YT. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.